How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon April 4th sales update. To yesterday, today is the 5th, but yesterday, the 4th, was a slow day. As you can see here, 5 sales in the US and 1 in Germany for the total of 6. Uh, I would say it's not extremely unusual, but I'm just comparing it to the last month, which is March, where I've been averaging about 10 a day. Now, when it comes to April, traditionally and historically speaking, this is when things slow down. This is the summer slump. It goes, the sales pretty much, drop across the board for everybody. Doesn't matter, what you're selling or how or which platform. Sales usually slow down during the summer months. If for example, if we go back, looking at 2020, this is due to COVID. There weren't any listings posted up for sale on Amazon. But if you go back, for example, and look at 2019, you can see, Q4 it spikes, January starts coming down. There's a bit of an uptick in March, and then the next couple of months really kind of go down. Now here's my fear, and here's kind of just my thought process. Number one, I of course I want my sales to continue to be the same and everything, and there's a lot of opportunity because because of a recent tier up, and I have a lot of room to post new products, and I'm going to be concentrating on t-shirts and mostly pop sockets and iPhone cases, and I think that's where I might get lucky, where the sales will hopefully continue to kind of hover around at least 200. Of course, I don't want to set any goals. I don't want to say I want 500 sales a month, just because I'm in tier 20,000. To me, that doesn't mean anything. I have to go month by month. Of course, I want to do 1,000 sales. I want to do 10,000 sales a month. But this is where we are right now. So basically, I would be happy if I'm still averaging 10 a day. So these kind of days are not concerning unless they start happening more often. So I'll see. It's still too early to kind of judge the month. I've received messages from at least 2 people. I think it might be more about sales yesterday. I think somebody said that they had a 0 day, and they usually don't. This is a lower tier. And then someone else who I know that just recently got tiered up to 20,000 from 10,000 also said it was a pretty bad day. So I don't know. I mean, that's only 3 people that we're looking at. So not a lot of, I guess, evidence there or data to really make a judgment. So we'll have to kind of track this and see where it goes. I've mentioned that over the last couple of weeks I've really slowed down with my uploads, and that changed last night because I've really kind of made a decision that no matter how busy I am during the day with my day job and everything else with the family, I really need to get some work done at night. And so today I have about I think about maybe 50 designs, maybe a little less, which are going to go up to on 1, 2, 3, at least 4 products. So we're looking at there will be about 200 uploaded products today at least, and then I'm going to start working on a few other spreadsheets. Let's see what we're looking at this month. So this is the 4th, so 32 total sales. So across the board, my numbers are dropping, but I guess, like I said, we're only 4 days into the month, but looking at that 4-day average, it is lower than last month's average. So that's, again, like I said, who knows? Maybe it's the weekend. Maybe it was, people are finally getting kind of going out and everything. Or this is the new reality. Again, I don't know what's going to happen. These are daily updates, and who knows? Maybe there's going to be a spike with the day of 20 sales, but this is where we are right now. So again, nothing concerning. The trend is average is going down. but we'll see what happens. Anyways, I'm gonna keep this short, not too much to talk about. If you have any comments, suggestions, anything you want to share, tell us about your sales in your day, because I'm curious. That the people that I've talked to have had similar experiences as I have. But if you have anything to share, you know where to leave a comment, and I'll talk to you guys soon.